echo rolling through the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and low, stars above in a gentle glow. Every rhythm tells a story true of ancient hearts that still beat through. Carry me home to the land of peace where the rivers flow and the hearts released. In the roots we trust, in love we stay. Keep the fire burning every day. Yeah, we keep the fire burning every day. Yeah, we keep the fire burning every day. Roots of my heart, they never fade. making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky. soul revive. Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. The freedom inside is the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Yeah, I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. presence, pure divine. Every breath, a song of grace, roots and love in every place. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Yeah, we're rising higher by and by. Yeah. Higher by and by. Yeah. Under the mango tree I stand. Listen to the heartbeat of the land. Every leaf whispers your name. Every drop of rain sounds the same. Sweet reggae breeze, carry me away to the time where love will stay. No more sorrow, no more pain. above begin to shine. Peaceful soul, the world alive. I lift my song to the sky so wide. Roots in love, forever my guide. Sweet reggae breeze, carry me away to the time where love will stay. No more sorrow, no more pain. Let your music heal again. Rain is falling on the dusty ground. I hear the heartbeat of that old town sound. Children laugh.